Welcome. In front of me I have 70My Dashcam Pro Plus, and I will show you the first setup of this device. So at the first, when you got the buttons in front of you, rotate the device to the right side. Here we got the SD card slot. So let's enter the card here, just like that. Use the fingernail to press it, and it jumps inside. Right now we got also the cable. So let's connect the micro SD cable right here. Okay, as you can see, our indicator is on the red color. It means that it's activated, and when we connect that cable, it just simply turn on our device. So we can simply choose system language. Let's go for the English, and there is the welcome, so we can go for the right. And there we got also the meaning of the indicators. So when it's on the green, it means that it's recording. Blue, not in the recording mode, it's normal mode. And the red one, there is some kind of the error, but also when your device is discharged. Go another time, and as you can see, there we got the power button. It's right here. So if you want to turn it off or turn it on, you have to click and hold this button. Of course, if you want to turn on screen or turn off, you can simply tap it once. Let's go back. And as I said before, when you want to turn it off or turn it on, you have to press and hold this power off button. Right now we can set the date. So let's set it up. Wait, I just misclick. Let's go like that. Okay, there's also the park surveillance, but the cable is not installed, so I'm going to skip this one. And right now we can also connect our smartphone with this camera, but you can also make it later. You don't need to connect your phone to your camera, it will work anyway. So let's skip this one. And as you can see, right now it's activated. We can use our device. We can, for example, hit this button to activate park surveillance. To make the to make emergency video.
Start recording emergency video.
And that's it. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.